We're gonna go ride for a minute. Yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so probably I would go ride in the ditch, but there's so much glass in there, like really bad. We're just gonna mess around for a minute and go ride, so let's go. It is so freezing out here though. Like, I'm telling you, it's so cold in Georgia. Y'all don't want to live in Georgia. It's freezing, like, for real. But yeah, I probably need to put on my gloves and stuff, but let's just go ride. Trying to get like it out, and I was trying to film it with my phone, and there was a sign laying over there, so like I don't go on that guy's land, I guess, and I forgot to put it back, but I picked it up to use it to prop my phone on. I gotta put this back real quick though. back on that land back there, I mean, you can see maybe.
Alright, so what I'm saying right here is just like my volume keeps cutting out and stuff, and I was talking about the land behind me, but my volume's gonna like be really quiet throughout the video, so if it does that, it's fine. I just need to get a new mic.
And he got on to me, so we had to leave. Because that gate used to be broken down. And I actually thought it was the man that lived right beside me property, because he knew our ride was back there, and like he didn't even care. So I thought it was just like his land or something. I didn't realize it was the other person's, but that's where I used to ride. And then when I started going over there, because like I didn't know, they would try to like chase me and stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all my hideout where I used to go when they chased me. Like as long as I could get them. Because they didn't know that like I lived right here. They thought I lived somewhere else and I was just trespassing on their land too. He didn't know it was my land. But he never came up because he always just go down there and like got off an inch to the road or something. So we're just gonna see. Like this is where I used to go. Right here. I used to go like up in here and up in here, and then if you keep going up there, there's like a little hill climb. I used to go to the very top of that too, or climb up in this tree. Pretty some fun times, but I haven't did it since then because I wasn't trying to get in trouble. Like him call the cops on me or something. Thankfully he didn't. Well, I don't know if he did.
So not right here, but later in the video, like just different parts, my sound quality is not that good, and you can barely hear me like when I'm riding. So I'm gonna have that fixed next week. Something's just wrong with it, I think, or maybe it's just not close enough to my mouth. But I'm gonna have to fix that or get like a mic. So yeah, that's just like why y'all can barely hear me.
But for right now, we're riding the 110. And sorry if y'all can barely hear me, which y'all probably can't. But I need to get like a new mic on my GoPro, like that goes in my helmet or something. Cause like y'all probably can't hear nothing over this dirt bike. Cause I want to get an FMF, but I took the silencer off of it completely, so it's kind of loud. No, that's why y'all probably can't hear nothing. But yeah, let's just ride for a second. We're about to have to leave, so let's ride. I need to start practicing on my wheelies because I suck. But like I could wheelie like with my feet dragging all the way around this house, all the way down the road. But I can't for some reason. Like I used to be able to leave my feet on there. I can't leave my feet on there now. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty fun, I guess. I've been trying to do like ones where you go like this, but it just hasn't really been best luck. I suck at that. I used to be able to wheelie pretty good at my old house. I had a lot of friends over there, and then some of them moved and stuff, so, and then we moved houses, so it doesn't really matter no more. Yeah. So, anyways, probably gonna end the video in just a minute. But yeah, 'cause we're gonna have to go leave, so probably about to end it right here. But next time I come on here, I'm probably going to, like it's my first day using my GoPro, but I'm probably gonna like take videos on side by side. My 4-wheeler's in there, but I recently wrecked my 4-wheeler, bent the handlebars, so we're gonna have to fix that too. But yeah, and I have also I'm about to have to leave, but I also got my dirt bikes and 4-wheelers in here. It's a mess. These whole garage are a mess because we just moved in. We still got stuff out here. But yeah, this is my 125 big wheel. I don't really ride her that much because This is my bike if my other bike breaks. And then this is my 450 Player Sportsman. As y'all can see, I was wheeling one day on it and it just completely fell over and I bent my handlebars. But anyways, I'm just gonna wrap it up for today probably because we're about to go to town. Don't mind this, it's a mess in here. But yeah, about to have to wrap it up, so see y'all later. We're